Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. As you can see, on the left side will be the portrait or the picture of a girl sitting on the chair, and I guess the location will be in the cafe. And after using the special prompt, this picture can be transformed into this, let's say, the spooky, haunted, or the ghost of her behind her too. And as you can see, this is the detail, like this ghost is putting her hand on the shoulders like this, and also changing the atmosphere to be the Halloween vibe. How to do that? It is very easy. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I used before to create this picture is Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it with the Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to do the photo editing with Nano Banana in your Gemini AI, then it is pretty okay because that can be worked too. But of course, don't forget to do the login first with your email to get more chance or have the chance to create the picture or do the photo editing with the Gemini AI. And after that, here I have also do the login too into this Google AI Studio. And after that, I will click the try Nano Banana over here. And after that, I will select a picture from this gallery or this device. And after that, I will put this prompt into this section. Basically, we would like to create that we are being haunted by the another ghost of ourselves, something like that. So basically the prompt would be like this: transform this person into the image into the haunted scene with the eerie ghostly presence. Like this is the presence of her. And after that, the subject's expression should convey a subtle sense of unease or the vacant stare, as if unaware of the spectral presence. As you can see that this woman only focus on the, let's say, camera and being subtle without knowing or conscious that there is something behind her, or there is someone or a ghost behind her. Behind her, a translucent, shadowy figure identical to her, but with a menacing or melancholic expression, and also stands directly behind her and slightly leaning in as if attempting to touch her on her shoulder or hair. And the ghost eyes should glow faintly with the unnatural light. And the room atmosphere, this is one of the important thing to add the atmosphere or the vibe. For example, the room atmosphere should be dramatically altered to be gloomy and spooky, reduce the brightness, and also introduce mute, desaturated colors with hints of cool blues, when you can see here the color. And after that, it's not only blue but also gray too, and deep purple. The lights in the background should be dim and flickering, casting long distort shadow and adding the subtle Halloween ornament. For example, this is the web, and also I guess this is the maple leaves that has been drowned or fall down since because it is in the fall season. And after that, you can also add the detail like the impression too, to not only focus on the one vibe to make it more colorful. So you can add the impression like the chilling, unsettling, suggesting a supernatural encounter. And after that, you can continue to click run. And basically this is the output of the same prompt, guys. However, if you would like to get the another output, then it is very okay. You can continue to click rerun this turn, and after that you will see the output or the another output after generating this prompt, guys. For example, this is the another output of this picture like this, and after that you can simply download it. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this prompt into your version, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry and share us about how is your version with this prompt. And after that, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.